Hello, I'm Mike Creevy, and I teach theology for Homeschool Connections. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a course I have coming up. It's my very first course with Homeschool Connections, and we're going to be digging into eschatology. Eschatology comes from a Greek word, eschaton, which means last or final or limit. And what eschatology deals with is what's known as the four last things. As author Muriel Sparks has called it, the four last things ever to be remembered. And when we're talking about the four last things, we're talking about death, judgment, hell, and heaven. I like to put them in that order when I describe them because I don't like to end with hell, for one thing, but that's a whole other thing. If you want to learn more about that, you'll have to take the course. So what are we looking at here? We are ultimately looking at the end of human life on earth. What is death? We think we know, I mean, it seems like an easy question to answer, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye, as I myself learned. So death, exploration of what exactly the Catholic Church's theology regarding human death is. Why do we die? What is death? And then what happens after death? What happens after our human life? And so death is, in a sense, the gateway into the deeper discussion of the topics of judgment, our particular judgment, and the general judgment. We dig into purgatory as well, but we dig into purgatory in the context of heaven. Purgatory is not sort of a third place compared to heaven or hell. It's not just a sort of like hell light or diet hell. We're going to dig into, after looking at judgment, we're going to look at hell, what it is. Newsflash, Catholics still believe in it, but we oftentimes don't actually learn about hell. There has been a shift really in the past few decades to kind of get away from talking about some of these things. So we're going to go in and look at what the church actually teaches about hell, what it is, what it isn't, which might also be equally important perhaps to consider. And then we'll move into a discussion of heaven, through first a discussion of purgatory, which is in a sense the front porch of heaven. What is heaven? What isn't heaven? These are the clarifications that we're going to go through in this course. It's a 12-week course, 1 hour for each session, where we're going to take a deep dive into the Bible, into Scripture. What does Jesus say about these things? What do the early church fathers say about these important issues? And then what do more modern theologians like Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI, Cardinal Ratzinger in his heyday, and Hans Urs von Balthasar, and then how is the discussion proceeding in current Catholic thought and dialogue. So these are some of the things we're going to take a look at. There's a lot of fun things I have packed in there as well, as considering things like depictions of hell and purgatory and heaven in literature and in movies, and then some other special topics as well. So eschatology, the theology of the end times, with me, your instructor, Mike Creevy. I sincerely hope that you'll take this course and that you'll be able to benefit from it. Thanks so much, and God bless you.